Here's what happens when you check things. I was cleaning the cable, the positive lead to the starter, and this thing just pulled right off. And it wouldn't even crimp good. So now it's time to solder it up. There's the little solder pellets that you put into the fitting and then you heat it. And there's the heavy duty shrink tubing and of course the handy dandy torch. Okay, fuel line's all done. Bracketed there, all the way back to the pump, all the way back to the filter, all the way back to the bottom of the tank. Oh my God, that tool for putting those ends on is just amazing. Cool tool, Koul. Get one.